Step 125. Introduction to Customization. Welcome to an exciting phase of your ChatGPT-powered business journey, customization. In Part 12 of our comprehensive series, Starting a Business with ChatGPT, a step-by-step guide, we explore the significance of adapting ChatGPT to your specific business needs. Customization is a powerful tool that can elevate your business, making your interactions with customers more tailored, efficient, and engaging. Step 126. Understanding the power of customization. Customization is all about making ChatGPT your own. By training ChatGPT with data specific to your industry, products, and services, you can enhance its capabilities and align it with your brand's unique voice and values. This ensures that ChatGPT becomes a valuable extension of your team, delivering the right information, assistance, and support. Step 127. Leveraging industry-specific language. In the customization process, industry-specific language plays a vital role. Whether you're in healthcare, finance, e-commerce, or any other field, ChatGPT's adaptability allows you to communicate effectively. By teaching ChatGPT industry terminology and nuances, you'll be able to provide expert-level support to your customers. Step 128. Personalized responses. Customizing ChatGPT means creating personalized responses. You can train it to address common queries, provide product recommendations, and even assist in troubleshooting issues specific to your business. The result is a more efficient and user-centric experience for your customers. Step 129. Consistency across channels. ChatGPT's customization extends beyond text. If your business engages customers through multiple channels, such as chat, email, or social media, you can ensure consistent and on-brand communication across all platforms. This helps in building trust and loyalty among your customer base. Step 130. Training and feedback loop. Customization is an ongoing process. Regularly update and refine your ChatGPT's training data to keep it aligned with changing trends and customer needs. Implement a feedback loop where you collect insights from customer interactions to fine-tune and optimize ChatGPT's performance. Step 131. Privacy and security considerations. In the age of data protection and privacy, it's crucial to ensure that your customized ChatGPT respects user privacy and adheres to all relevant regulations. Implement robust security measures to safeguard sensitive information. Step 132. Final thoughts. Customizing ChatGPT for your business is a game changer. It positions your brand as customer-focused, innovative, and reliable. With ChatGPT as a customized solution, you'll be well prepared to deliver top-tier support and assistance to your customers, ultimately driving growth and success for your business. As we continue our journey, remember to subscribe and click the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. If you found this episode insightful, give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for being part of Starting a Business with ChatGPT.